You hand the AI a tool. It ignores it, or it uses it wrong, and the tool itself works fine. Most of the time, that's not a bug in your code. It's a bug in how you wrote the tool down. If you build with agents, you'll write these tool cards, or you'll check the ones your team writes. Get one part fuzzy, and the model grabs the wrong tool or feeds it junk. Here's the easy way to see it. Picture a recipe card. Every card has 3 parts: the dish name up top, a short note under it, and a list of what goes in. A tool card is that same card. 3 parts. That's it. The 3 parts have real names too: a name, a description, and a schema. First, the name. It's a short handle, like get weather. That's how the model calls the tool. Next, the description. It's that little note, what the tool does and when to reach for it. And here's the catch. The model picks a tool by reading that note, nothing else. Last, the schema. It's the ingredients list, exactly what the tool needs to run. Each input gets a name and a type. City is text. Days is a number. Some inputs you must give, some are optional, like the ginger. The schema says which is which. And the type is a rule. Ask for a number, and the word tomorrow won't get through. Now the part folks miss. The card doesn't cook anything. It's just paper. You can write a perfect card and the stove stays cold till someone cooks. Same with the tool. The card only describes it. Your code is what does the real work. Let's build one. Call it Send Email. The note says what it does and when. The schema lists to, subject, and body with 2 required. So, 2 moves before you ship a tool. 1. Write the description like it's the only thing the model reads, because it is. 2. Make the schema strict. Name the type. Mark what's required. Leave no room for junk. So a tool card is really just a recipe card. A name to call it, a note on when to use it, and a clear list of what it needs. Get those 3 right, and the model uses your tools the way you meant. Next up, we'll watch an agent pick the right tool out of a whole drawer of them.